If there is choris in the kitchen, you already know something delicious is coming. Hi my dear friends, welcome back to my channel Noella Creations. Here I have taken 3 pieces of choris. I am removing the casing. Then place a kadai on medium flame. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil in it. Add 1 bay leaf, half inch of cinnamon stick, 5 cloves, 5 black peppercorns. Stir it. Add 1 chopped onion, half teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Saute until the onion turns translucent and the raw smell of the ginger garlic paste goes away. Add salt. Next goes in 1 small chopped tomato. Saute until the tomato becomes soft. Next goes in the choris pieces. By the way, if you like this video, do give it a like, hype, share it with your family and friends and subscribe for more recipes. We will keep the kadai aside for now and boil 1 cup of water. I washed half cup of basmati rice with plain water 3 times. Then I soaked the basmati rice in water for 10 minutes. I drained the water and now I am adding the basmati rice to the kadai. Mix it. Add the water. Add a pinch of turmeric powder, Maggi cube and add salt if required. We'll mix this well. Cover and let it cook for 15 minutes on low flame till the water dries. Turn off the flame. And our Goan Choris Pulao is ready. Look at those beautiful grains of rice coated in all that flavor with spicy little pieces of choris throughout. It's aromatic, comforting and absolutely delicious. Sometimes nothing beats a simple Goan meal like this. See you all soon in my next video. Until then, happy cooking. Sending you calmness and good wishes always. Thanks for watching.